Today, I'll walk you through how to insert rows and columns in Google Sheets, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to add new rows and columns to your spreadsheet so you can organize your data more effectively. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to Google Sheets. You can do this by typing Google Sheets into your search engine or going directly to the Google Sheets website. Once there, you'll see a clean interface ready for your input. This is your canvas for data management. Next, click on the blank spreadsheet option to create a new sheet. This action opens a fresh document where you can start adding your data. Don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different. Google often updates its interface, but the core functionality remains the same. Now to insert a column, locate the column pane on the top of your spreadsheet. Right-click on the letter of the column where you want to add a new one. A context menu will appear, providing you with several options. Click on Insert one column left to add a new column directly to the left of the selected column. This is a straightforward way to expand your data set without disrupting your existing layout. If you want to insert a row, the process is quite similar. Right-click on the number of the row where you want the new row to appear. Again, a context menu will pop up. Click on Insert one row above to add a new row above the selected one. This method allows you to insert additional information seamlessly into your spreadsheet. Congratulations! You've successfully learned how to insert rows and columns in Google Sheets. This skill is essential for effectively managing your data and making your spreadsheets more functional. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.